Hi guys, today I'll share with you the way to create a mirror effect in Photoshop. Right here, I have a background layer of metropolis with lots of buildings and skyscraper. And layer 1 is a mirror with lots of trend on it. Go to filter, camera filter. We are going to reduce noise on this mirror. In detail tab, increase noise reduction to the point that all noise fade away. Let me show you before and after so you can see the differences between them. Hit OK. Change blend mode to screen. Click to adjustment icon and select brightness contrast. It is too bright, so we will decrease brightness, of course, to around -100 and increase contrast to 50. Create vibrant adjustment layer. Increase vibrant to 38 and decrease saturation to -24. Duplicate background layer with Ctrl J. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Radius 10 pixels. Add layer mask to it, and now we use brush to show the areas that we want. Make sure the opacity around 50%. Make it just like we see the city through a window in a rainy, foggy day. Plus, foreground color must be black. When you're done, create curve adjustment layer to add a basic contrast to it by increasing shine light and decreasing shadow. Alright, have fun with this new technique. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please hit like and subscribe buttons, and you can enjoy our tutorials about Photoshop technique, tips while learning. Free tutorials are launched day by day, so it will satisfy your needs in case you are interested in Photoshop. Please leave comments right below the video in case you have any questions. Thank you and see ya!